Hey besties, welcome back again to my channel. If you would like to see how I made this Trolls themed birthday cake, then keep on watching. First thing I'll do is to prepare the toppers, the decorations I'll be placing on the cake, like the rainbows, the number 3 cake topper, the name I'm going to also place on the cake board, the flowers and the lollipop and the flowers. And I'm making these toppers out of fondant, so I've added my CMC powder to it, and this fondant recipe is the all-weather fondant recipe, but if you have gum paste it's also okay. Right now I'm making the rainbows. I have a detailed video on how to make your fondant rainbow toppers, 2 different methods, 2 different designs on my YouTube channel. So after watching this video, you can decide to go and watch that. It's a detailed video, but then I also decided to add it here just in case you don't know how to make rainbow toppers and you're watching this video. If this is your first time on this channel, I'd like to say a big welcome to you. Please don't make it your last by hitting the subscribe button and dropping a comment in the comment section. Also give this video a thumbs up. There's a like button down below. You'd see the icon. Just give it a like, and this helps YouTube to push it to more audience or more people who might need this kind of video. And to my old subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos and dropping a beautiful comment for me. I appreciate you all. Please keep watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Keep watching, learn and enjoy. Now that I'm done making all the cake toppers and decorations I'll be using for the cake, it's time to fill and stack this cake. So this cake actually has 2 types of fillings. It has the chocolate filling and it has the caramel sauce filling topped with chocolate chunks. I have a detailed video on how to make your salted caramel sauce exactly the way it looks in this video. It is thick, it is lush, it is delicious, and it won't run down the sides of your cake. Now all I'm going to do here is to pipe a ring around the cake filling to enable that secure the fillings without it dripping around the sides of your cake and keep it stable before I place the next layer, which is the chocolate cake. Ensure that you're using a stable whipped cream recipe, and if you don't have one, you can send me a DM at Cakes by Ife on Instagram. You don't want to try using cake fillings with an unstable whipped cream recipe. Yes, it's the worst thing that can ever happen to you. So if you know that you do not have a stable whipped cream recipe, if you know that you're not sure, you're not confident with your recipe, you need my whipped cream recipes. I have 4 whipped cream recipes that I taught in my online class, and I'm very sure it will be very beneficial to you. Now I'm just going to go ahead and crumb coat this cake, cover the cake with the white frosting, and then you see the next step. If you're still watching up till this point, thank you so much for watching this far. Please remember to give this video a like. Remember to drop a beautiful comment in the comment section. Share this video with anyone that you think would, find this helpful or useful. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe for more. And guys, comment. I love to read from you. I want to see your comments. I want to hear from you guys. Just let me know what you think about the cake. Let me know what you think about the channel. Give suggestions on what's next you want to see on the channel. Recipes, videos. Just let me know. Let me know. Keep it coming, please. Thank you guys. I'm trying to make a rainbow color effect on this cake. You can choose to make your frosting and put in a piping bag and just pipe it, pipe the rings around it, layer by layer, or you can decide to do this method. For me, this is faster for me, but if you're not yet pro to that level, then you can go ahead and just pipe. Or if you know that you won't be able to, you might mix up the colors, then you might need to use the piping bag to apply the frosting on the cake. You can see how I layered this, and now I'm just using my spatula to make the cake smooth, or to smoothen the cake. In case I have any part that has any hole, I'm just going to use the same color of frosting to fill up that part and use my smoothener. But because this cake scraper is not as tall as this cake, I had to use another cake scraper to smoothen it. And now that we have our beautiful rainbow whipped cream cake, I'm going ahead to place my number 3 cake topper on the cake, and I'll pipe my colored chocolate drip on the cake. I have a detailed video on how to color your white chocolate, to get any color of your choice, like I did in this video. So check it out after this video. Once I'm done applying the chocolate, I'm going to check if there's any more, if there's any space or any need for me to apply just a little bit more for it to drip a little bit. And insert my rainbow topper made out of fondant. Insert my toppers, the troll toppers, and my lollipop made out of fondant. Apply my flowers, sprinkles, and every other decorations that I want to add to the cake, including the name that I'll be placing on the cake board. And voila, our cake is ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this particular video, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed.